Transform your Word documents into interactive forms with a simple yet powerful drop-down list. First, we need to ensure you have the Developer tab visible. If you don't see it, go to File, then Options. In the Word Options window, click Customize ribbon on the right-hand side. Under Main tabs, check the box next to Developer, and then click OK. Now that the Developer tab is active, navigate to it in the Controls group. You'll see a variety of options. We're looking for the one that looks like a small paper list with an arrow pointing down. Clicking this icon will insert a placeholder for your drop-down list into your document. It might look a bit plain right now, but we'll customize it in just a moment. With the drop-down list selected, click on the Properties button in the same Controls group. This is where the magic happens. In the Content Control Properties window, you'll see a section for drop-down list properties. This is where you'll add the options your users can select from. Click the Add button to begin creating your list items. A small window will pop up asking for a display name. This is what your users will see in the list. Type in your first option, for example, Option 1, and click OK. Repeat this process for each item you want in your drop-down list, adding them one by one. Once you've added all your desired options, click OK to close the Properties window. Go back to the Developer tab and click the Design Mode button. This will toggle the editability of your controls. Now, when you click on the drop-down list in your document, you'll see all the options you added appear, ready for selection. This is perfect for surveys, data collection, or creating interactive documents. Save your document, and you've successfully created a functional drop-down list in Microsoft Word.